That is the way we are going to build a better Kenya. Let us not put people in silos. Every Kenyan has a right to speak to this document so that we can all find long-lasting solutions. Kenya has a poor history when it comes to matters constitutional. We have histories of mutilating our constitution to the extent that what you start with, sometimes you don't recognize many years later. Let us be careful on how we handle the process henceforth. Your Excellency, you have a big challenge.
And, members of Senate, County Assembly members,
please,
dignitaries,
listening to my earlier speeches here,
so far,
let us not convert the
amongst
BBI
the three positions of President,
document
Deputy, and members of Parliament and
to a political
members
elite
of Senate,
document.
County Assembly members, members of Parliament and members of Senate.
Everybody here is talking about sharing political seats.
All issues. If a
what about motivating the civil servant? What about motivating the teacher?
This country, over 50%
what about motivating the private sector?
The people who
we
are
are
going to
beginning
pass
to
this
fall into the
document
same trap again by making it
women.
look like the BBI is
We all
about
have
sharing
our
political
spouses.
positions.
We have daughters in our homes, and I think it's about time this country got to the place.
My understanding is that the
equality.
BBI is bigger than sharing
and we
political
thank you
positions.
For that which has
So
been
can
done
we
so
focus
far.
as Kenyans
we accept
and get there
the proposal
and let
as
us
we
all
continue to
interrogate
amongst the three
and Your Excellency, the economy.
Amongst the three positions
What is
of
ailing
President,
us?
Deputy, and Prime
What
Minister.
is ailing us?
Asanteni sana.
What is ailing us? The economy. Kenya is one of the few countries that you can call a public rally at Uhuru Park on a weekday and it will be full because of unemployment.